Hi students, in the previous video we discussed about binary fission. This video we shall discuss about the next part of the lesson, cell cycle and cell division, that is cell cycle. What is cell cycle, children? The regular sequences of events that occur during the cell division, growth, prepare for division and finally divide into two daughter cells is known as cell cycle. Clear, children? It's the regular sequences of events occur during the cell division and includes growth, prepare for division and finally divide into two daughter cells is known as cell division. Goes and reaches the stage where it is ready to divide into two daughter cells. This is called cell division. So we already learnt about types of cell divisions, children, mitosis and meiosis. We have already completed about binary fission, and this video we shall discuss about mitotic cell division. So here the cell cycle has 5 phases, children. G1 or first gap or primary growth phase, and second phase is the synthesize phase, that is DNA, where the DNA gets duplicated, and the next phase is G2 phase or secondary growth phase, and followed by M phase or mitotic phase and cytokinesis. So totally we have 5 phases, children. When we see here in the cell cycle, children, the cell spends most of its time in preparation, children. That is, to undergo cell division, the cell spends most of its time for cell division. And this time where the cell uses the time for preparing, we call it as what? Interphase or resting phase or non-dividing phase. And the cell uses less time for dividing, children. This includes karyokinesis and cytokinesis, or we call it as mitotic phase. Now we shall discuss about interphase or resting phase or non-dividing phase, children. So in interphase, the first step is G1 phase or G1 stage, children. This is first gap stage, or we call it as first growth stage after the cell division. So immediately after cell division, the first stage is called as first gap or G1 phase, children. In this phase, the cells mature by making more cytoplasm and organelles. Clear, children? So what happens during G1 phase? The cells get matured by making more cytoplasm and organelles, and the cells carry on its normal metabolic activities. Clear, children? All the metabolic activities take place in this G1 phase. And what happens during S stage or synthesize stage? Synthesize, the name itself specifies here, the DNA is duplicated. The DNA is copied, or the DNA is replicated, children. The DNA gets replicated to form two identical copies of DNA, so that the two daughter cells will get equal distribution of genetic information. Clear, children? Here the DNA is synthesized or the DNA is copied, and that's why we call it as synthesized stage. And the next is G2 stage, children. It is the second growth stage. This occurs after DNA has been copied. Here in G2, so here in the G2 stage, children, the DNA is checked by enzymes for mistakes and repairing, children. Whatever is copied in the synthesized stage, that DNA is checked by enzymes for mistakes and repairing, and the mistakes are corrected and rectified, and no new thing is formed in this G2 phase, children. Now what happens in interphase, children? Now in the interphase, you all know that it is the DNA duplication and then synthesis of the DNA, and the next is the DNA is checked and corrected. So overall, what happens in interphase, children? Here in eukaryotic cell, everything happens in the nucleus and the DNA replicates. The centrioles also replicate and the cell prepares for cell division. I hope you have understood about cell cycle, children. So cell cycle is nothing but it is the sequence of events that take place in the cell division, which helps for dividing of the cell. Okay, children, in the next phase we can see about M phase or mitosis. In this phase we can see there is division of nucleus and division of cytoplasm. Understood, children? So in the next video we shall discuss about mitosis in detail. Thank you.